Hello again and welcome. Another discussion of powerhouse foods. Today we will be talking about watercress. Now, is watercress a fountain of youth? In this video you will find out. Today I'm going to show you many of the little known benefits of eating watercress as often as you like. We will show you how it keeps your skin looking young forever, and we will show you how watercress, unlike most leafy greens, actually has iron that your body needs to be strong and active, something every vegan diet should certainly have as well. We will talk a bit about collagen and how that's super important to young supple skin. So let's dive right in to the shocking facts about watercress. Watercress is packed with vitamins and minerals, but I'm betting most of you haven't really tried it. If you have tried it, you'll know that it has a peppery taste similar to arugula. You can eat it fresh or in a salad, a sandwich, or a garnish. You can saute it. It can be prepared just like kale, Brussels sprouts, and so forth. So while we're talking about vitamins in watercress, it's important to note the huge quantities it really packs. 100 grams is equal to a daily supply of vitamin C or the mountain orange. And this vitamin C is huge because without the vitamin C, your body couldn't process the daily supply of iron in watercress. And watercress is one of the few foods that can restore your collagen. And collagen levels are naturally produced in the body. We'll talk more about collagen later on, and that's something you'll want to know. So now we know watercress is loaded with daily vitamins we all need. We learned it helps your body produce collagen for a young, healthy skin. But the next thing we need to know is watercress is great for your bone density. That's because watercress has 4 times the daily requirements of vitamin K. Vitamin K is a key factor in bone density. Now, since vitamin K is generally tough for the body to absorb, the extremely high levels of vitamin K ensure that you can absorb the vitamin K that's in watercress. And it's essential for bone health to get this vitamin K. The best part, watercress can restore the bone density with regular use. Now, that's really great news as we age. So, watercress is nutritious, delicious, easy to find, and it keeps you looking and feeling great. But studies have shown it can assist in the prevention and treatment of breast cancer. Now, we'll talk more about that in another video. So now we'll talk about the collagen that's in watercress. Now, there's an entire industry, supplements, there's an entire industry, and it's a very expensive thing to contemplate. Then also the absorption and the success rate is kind of iffy. But collagen, as many people are well aware, very important to your skin, and to replace that is difficult. But watercress has a unique combination of traits that it does really assist your body in redeveloping and stimulating the collagen that's naturally done in your body, but that decreases with age. And so by eating watercress, you can really help your chances of maintaining your collagen levels. Now, what is collagen? Well, collagen is a protein that your body makes naturally. And collagen makes up 1/3 of your body's protein. It's essential for a healthy joint and keeps the skin elastic, lessens wrinkles, As you get older, your body makes less collagen, resulting in joint pain. Stiff tendons or ligaments and muscles may weaken, and your skin becomes papery thin. So it makes sense to help your body maintain or increase its collagen as you age. Through diet, you can help by eating watercress. You can also take supplements, but that's an entirely different video, not for today. Today, we're going to show you how watercress can be your fountain of youth. The best part is that it actually repairs the damage of age. One of the best parts about doing this kind of a format, telling you about healthy foods and things that you discover. As you know, I was in the natural foods business, the health food store business for a long time, and people, they often tried to fix their health problems with supplements and this and that, but good healthy food is always the best way to go. And watercress simply gives us a very, very important boost on some important things. I'll tell you something, if you're over 30, you really need to eat watercress every day, because it's all the problems you're going to have when you get twice that age. You're going to start preventing them as the body starts to slow down on some of these functions. So if you're hitting that part, you really want to start looking at superfoods. That's what we do at this channel. We talk about superfoods, like really good nutrition that you can find in sometimes easily available but not well-known foods. And watercress certainly fits that category. And I strongly urge you to, as soon as this video is over, go get you some watercress and keep it in that kitchen. Keep it in your refrigerator. It doesn't keep that long, but it doesn't matter. You're going to eat it. And if you can't find it, it's really hard to grow that. It's a little difficult. The growing conditions are really tough. I don't think we can do that in our backyard kind of thing, but you never know. But thanks for listening to this video. And if you know someone who's getting up there, like maybe your grandparents or something, and turn them on to watercress. So just introduce it to their diet. It's almost impossible not to like the way it tastes. It's so easy to put that in your diet, and that's what we do here, is try to get the awareness to how we can eat our way to better health. And so if you found this video helpful, I strongly urge you to watch my other videos concerning chicory, yarrow, and dandelion. Those are also superfoods that I did a video about, and they're only like 7-8 minutes long. Won't take you long to watch them, and you really ought to check those out as well. Once again, thanks for watching, and be sure to tell someone about watercress, someone you love. It could really change their life, and that is a fact. That's all I have for tonight. Take care, everybody, and stay healthy.